is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Market Militia Makers. Today we're going to talk about how I was able to catch 240 plus pips and points on the US30 on Friday. Now, coming into Friday, I knew we had NFP and I wasn't really looking to trade, but I had woken up and looked at the markets, and usually if you are going to trade NFP, you want to trade before and or after news drops, okay? So here we have our vertical lines delineated as 8:30 a.m. market open and 9:30 a.m. equities market open on the New York session of the Dow Jones. Now, here on the 5-minute, I had seen that we had already taken out these lows here, and we had taken out these previous highs here, which were old lows back here. Anyway, so we had taken out buy side liquidity here and then dropped down for the movement. You also had a small retracement here into this fair value gap at just before 9:30. I usually like to take my trades after 9:30. So I'll have these vertical lines delineated, but then my trade time is really 9:30 a.m. to about noon, and that is UTC -4 New York time. So if we move price forward, I think it was about here or so, I had noticed so it's about here I had noticed this gap in here. So we're waiting for price to come back in here. We also had this big giant gap in here. So as price came back into this gap, I placed a short position in here that stops above this candle. And then I was looking at the 1 hour time frame. We had this fair value gap down here for price to continue down into as my profit target. So as we drop back down to the 5-minute, price just melted all the way down into that fair value gap. So as you see here, once price moved down past this was where I took partials and then let the rest run. At this point I was break even on this trade, so it was a risk-free trade, and yeah, we just let it run, and that's how I caught over 240 pips, 274 pips total on US30. Thank you guys for watching. I am going to be having some webinars and Zooms, so if you'd like to do that, follow me on Instagram at FXandrewCapital, and hit that like button, hit that subscribe so I can come out some more videos. If you have any questions or topics on anything you want me to cover when it comes to ICT concepts, feel free to comment below and let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, trade safe.